Uh, Hi all. Today I am going to discuss about tie-set matrix. Here, what is a tie-set matrix? We take the current directions according to the branch directions. As we already know, the graph contains a oriented graph. Means oriented graph that consists of directions of the arrow mark, and it is represented same direction with the tie-set, that is T1. These complete lines are represented with the T diagram, and dotted line represented the co-tree diagram, and branches of a co-tree is called chords, and branches of a tree is called links. Here I am taking the tie-set matrix is represented with the B. B is equal to, here all tie-sets, that is the direction with the branch 1 and T1 as clock direction, and T2 as clock direction with branch 2, and with the branch 3, T3 is the clock direction. So now I am representing the tie-set matrix as columns, and branches are rows. Branches, how many branches are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 branches are there. So it is represented in the branch. Now tie-set matrix 1, 2, 3. 3 matrices are there. From branch 1 to tie-set matrix 1. So here the current is flowing same direction with the tie-set matrix is represented with the 1. So the branch 1 to the tie-set matrix, that is same direction. So it is taken as a 1. And branch 2. Branch 2 is opposite direction. So for opposite direction we take -1. Next, branch 3 is not connected. So it is taken as a 0. Branch 4 also same direction. So it is 1. And branch 5, 6 are not connected to the tie-set matrix. Next, tie-set matrix 2. Here tie-set matrix 2, branch 1 is not connected, and branch 2 is same direction, that is 1. Branch 3 in opposite direction, that is -1. Branch 4 not connected. Branch 5 same direction, and branch 6 not connected. Here same way tie-set matrix 3. So branch 1 not connected, 2 not connected, 4 and 5 are not connected. 3 is opposite direction, and 6 is same direction. Same direction to the tie-set matrix 3. So this is the way of calculating the tie-set matrix. Next, F cut-set matrix. Here cut-set is representing the number of nodes minus 1. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes are there. So how many cut-sets are there? N minus 1 means that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So here 3 cut-sets are formed at the basic node. So that is A, B, C. So there are 3 cut-sets. We are taking the 3 cut-sets C1, C2, C. Cut-set, F cut-set is represented with the Q, and branches are the row elements, and C1, C2 are the row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the column elements. So C1 to the branch 1, C1 to the branch 1, moving towards C1, branch 1 moving towards the C1. So it is taken as a 1. Not connected, 2, 3 not connected, 4 is moving away. So that is taken as a negative. 5 and 6 are not connected. Same way C2, cut set 2. 2 is entering, 4 is entering, 5 is leaving. So entering is 1, 2, 3 entering, so it is 1 basically. So 5 is leaving, so that is -1. So remaining are not connected. Next, cut set 3. I am taking cut set 3. For cut set 3, 5, 3, 6. These 3 branches are moving towards the cut set 3. So each of is taken as a 1. 3, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1. The remaining will be zeros. So this is the basic representation of the tie-set matrix and cut-set matrix. Next one, I am taking an example from the circuit contains incident matrix, tie-set matrix, cut-set matrix. So first I am taking this example diagram contains resistor, inductor and voltage source, current source, and capacitors are there. Now I am converting orientation graph. So this is the orientation graph. For orientation graph, this is the node 1, node 2, node 3, and branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, branch 4. 4 branches are there and 3 nodes are there. So incident matrix, there are 3 nodes are there for branches 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving towards means that is minus 1, minus 1, 1. So it is moving away. So the incident matrix is given as AA is equal to minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1. From branch 1 to the node 2. From branch 1 to the node 3. So it is taken as 1, minus 1, 0. So eliminating the third row of a matrix A, we get the incident matrix A. Means it is a complete incident matrix, that is AA. Eliminating third row of a incident matrix, complete incidence matrix become normal incident matrix. Okay, we are removing third row to reduced incident matrix. It is called a reduced incident matrix, is represented with the A. Next, tie-set matrix. Tie-set matrix is nothing but it is a directional graph. So the links are 3, 4. I am taking the tie-set matrix with represented with the tree. So these 1, 2 branches are represented with the tree branches and 4, 3 elements are represented with the charts of a quadtree. So here B is equal to 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 are represented as a charts and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the branches. So the order of the matrix is minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0. 4 to the 1, that is 1, 1, 0, 1. Next, cut set matrix. Here 3 links are there, 3 nodes are there. For 3 nodes, 3 minus 1 is the number of cut set, that is 2. 2 number of cut set are there. First representing the one side and two side. Now 1, 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 branches. The order of the matrix is 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. So this is the way of calculating the incident matrix, tie-set matrix, cut-set matrix. Next, I am asking the question. Please represent this diagram into orientation graph. Draw the diagram into orientation graph. Oriented graph. Okay. Oriented graph. Please understand the network diagram and convert this diagram into orientation graph by keeping potential difference of sources. Remaining elements will be converted to branches. Okay, branch is nothing but simply a line segment. Please read the question and understand the problem. I am giving you 5 minutes. Okay, thank you. Now you got a orientation graph, I think. So this is the oriented graph. This is the node 5, node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 branches are there in the orientation graph. So here I am drawing the tree diagram by using 6, 1, 3, 5 branches. So this is the tree diagram. Remaining are considered as a co-tree elements. Okay. For this basic incident matrix, AA is given as branches, 7 branches are there, nodes, 5 nodes are there. So this is the matrix. So this is the complete matrix. Complete matrix, complete incident matrix means it satisfies the condition of 2 non-zero element in a row. So every row consists of 2 non-zero elements. So it is called as complete incident matrix. And another is there, by calculating 2 non-zero elements will become 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. In every row there is a 1 minus 1. So this is a non-zero, calculating the non-zero elements become 0. In every row there are 2 non-zero elements. By adding that 2 non-zero elements become 0. So it is a complete incident matrix. Now I am converting this into reduced incident matrix by removing the last row. So last row will be there, that is 5 minus 1, 4. So last row will be eliminated. So this is the normal matrix, that is reduced incident matrix, by removing the last row. So this is the tie-set matrix with the links. Ties consist of 2, 4, 7 as a nodes. 2, 4, 7. This is nothing but as charts of the co-tree. All dotted lines are represented the co-tree. All complete lines represented the tree branches. Tree branches are nothing but as links. Links are 2, 4, 7, and co-tree links are charts are 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. So here the order of the matrix is 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Now F cut set matrix Q is represented as, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nodes are there. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So number of cut set will be 4. So this is one cut set, and by representing 1 to 5, this is one cut set, this is one cut set, third, this is 4. So 4 cut sets are there. 1, 3, 5, 6 are the cut set, and 7 are branches. This is the representation of matrix. Picks are 1, 3, 5, 8. Cut sets are 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. This is the order of the cut set matrix. So this is the example 3. Already we know the graph. Which graph it is? Orientation graph. Consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 branches, and number of nodes is 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. We already know, convert this into tree. Tree contains open set of a loop. So open set, tree is always a open set. 4, 5, 6. This middle part is represented as a tree and tree branches. Remaining all outer part is represented with the co-tree. We are calculating the incident matrix, tie set matrix, and F cut set matrix. So this is the way of calculating the tie set cut set. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nodes are there. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 cut sets are there from 1, 2. Each and every node I am covering with the cut set matrix. This is the tie set matrix with the orientation graph. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 represented the branches. 1, 2, 3 represented the nodes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 represented the branches. 4, 5, 6 represented the rows. Next, this is the example 4. This is consist of 1, 2, 3, 4 represented with the tree, remaining 5, 7 represented the cotree. Here the solution incident matrix is how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nodes are there. Nodes are represented with the row, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are represented with the row, and these are represented with the column. So this is the order of the matrix. Now I am reducing this row to become complete incident matrix. This is the tie-set matrix, and this is the F cut set matrix with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes are there. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 cut sets are there. From 5, 4 I am cutting the cut set matrix, and 3 to 4 and 1 to 5 are the another cut set. These are 4 cut sets with 1 to 7 are the branches. So this is the way of representing the incident matrix, tie set matrix, F cut set matrix with the A. Incident matrix is represented with the A, tie set matrix is represented with the B, and F cut set matrix is represented with the Q. So the incident matrix of this directed graph has one column for each node, and graph of a row each edge of a graph. So these are the branches, these are the nodes. So these are the orientation, means oriented, how the orientation of the incident matrix, and these are the properties. So as we already discussed, the sum of entire rows is column is 0. So determine the incident matrix with the closed loop is 0. The rank of incident matrix is connected graph is n minus 1. Now tie set matrix. All rows are represented with the branches, and all columns are represented with the tie set. So this is the orientation of element, and these are the properties. Properties nothing but as number of tie set in a tree is equal to the number of links of the tree. As a tie set traces as a loop is given as conventionally it is a KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Next, F cut set matrix. The fundamental F cut set matrix is a cut set that contains continuous cut set are represented in the row, branches are represented with the column elements. So this is the orientation of the elements. These are the properties. So the cut set divides the set of nodes in the two subsets. Okay, it divides the subset. Each fundamental cut set contains one tree branch. Okay, means whenever we drawing the cut set in a node, it must contain a tree branch. The remaining elements being links. Links are nothing but as charts of a cotree. So this is the way of representing the incident matrix, tie set matrix, F cut set matrix. So this is the way of taking branch voltages in terms of node voltage. Next, tie set matrix. In tie set matrix, it represented the tree. This is the 5, 2, 3, 7 branches are tree. So 1, 4, 6, 8 are the nodes, and these are the branches. So it is a way of representing tie set matrix. And branch current. Branch current is nothing but as tie set matrix, that is P transpose I1. So that is IB, branch current. How many branches are there? 8 branches. For 8 branches, I1, I2, I3 up to IA equal to transpose of B into IL. This is the loop current. So this is the example 2 of F cut set matrix of a graph having 3 tree branches and equal to F cut set matrix. Already cut set is given. These are the tree branches and these are the cotree branches. Okay, these are the F cut set of the matrix from 4, 3, 1 and 3, 1 internal one is there. For connecting 4 to 3, one is there, and 8 to 2 is there, 2 separately 2 is there. This is the way of representing cut set. First of all, we count the nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes are there. 5 minus 1, 4. So here 4 cut sets are there. This is the end of the topic. These are the examples. Please listen carefully. Thank you.